Hello trader, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Every day on live market get automatically buy sell calls from this chart. In this chart you will get calls automatically. Every day you are just going to watch the video, so like that you are just going to watch the chart. Whenever your trend changes, the candle color will change. You will get entry point, target 1 and 2 and a stop loss in live market. So current situation, a buy call generator, green color candle opened, so you can easily understand it's a buy trend. Okay, meanwhile sell call means red color. So since it's a buy call, green color candle open, buy at 38,740 is the entry point. So the candle open point is the entry point, and above green color line or target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. First target range is 38,836.90. That is almost a 97 point target. So 97 point breakout required for first target. Meanwhile, second target is double of the first target. Let's wait and see how this chart moves, how today market is going on. Since it's a weekly expiry day, so we are showing in afternoon market, because always the expiry time is during the closing time of the market only. Market moves very volatile, so we are showing it in afternoon market. Let's wait and see how this afternoon market expiry day calls works. After 30 minutes of the buy call generator, market finally break out the first target range. Not a simple breakout, a 100 point movement given after 30 minutes. The entry point has been touched just a 5 minutes back also, but market now only strongly able to break out the first target range. During this entire time, market was in a flat momentum, but at the fifth candle, a strong momentum has been shown by the Bank Nifty future chart. Let's see. At buy call generator, after 5 minutes, as you can see, the market almost tried to break out the first target range, but not able to break out. Only a 90 point movement given after 5 minutes. Now only it can be able to break out, and it's on strong bullish momentum also. Due to the strong bullish momentum, market is now breaking out more than 120 point movement and trading at 38,870 range. This is Bank Nifty weekly option chart, 38,500 call option. It's a in the money option chart. Since in the money option is giving more points, so we are showing it in the money option chart. In the money option chart, as you can see, the buy call came at 193 range. So 193 at the fifth candle it went up to 250. Now market is trading at 280 range. So like this only the option chart will look, option calls also will look. You can directly watch in option weekly chart also, or you can trade with the future chart also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.